From the Captain's Catch Cookbook, written by Jeff Bulla, inspired by Captain Marty Munns. Welcome to Down East Coastal Cooking, where salt air meets cast iron, and every meal tastes like home by the water. Today we're cooking 5 timeless seafood recipes from the Carolina coast. Simple, fresh, and full of flavor. So grab your apron, and let's get started. Our fresh seafood comes from the Outer Banks area. 1. Calabash fried shrimp. Everyone who has had this, they know. Here you go, Calabash fried shrimp. Lightly breaded, golden, and crispy, just like the seafood shacks along the docks of Calabash, North Carolina. Ingredients: 1 pound fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 cup flour, 1 cup cornmeal salt, pepper, paprika buttermilk for dipping, peanut oil or vegetable oil. Steps to take: rinse off the shrimp well. Dip shrimp in buttermilk. This keeps them juicy. Show coating in flour, plus cornmeal, plus seasoning mix. Fry in hot oil until light golden. Lemon wedges and hush puppies. 2. Hatteras style clam chowder. No cream, just broth. For some real Down East clam chowder. Unlike New England chowder, Down East clam chowder is simple. Clams, potatoes, onions, and broth. No cream, no fuss. Ingredients: fresh clams, 4 potatoes, diced, 1 onion, chopped, salt pork or bacon, optional, water or clam broth, black pepper and butter steps, diced potatoes and onions, sauté with bacon, salt pork. Add chopped clams and their juice. Pour in water or broth. Simmer until potatoes are soft. Finish with a pat of butter and black pepper. 3. Shrimp and crab boil, Carolina style. This is as good as it gets. Can you taste it yet? This seafood boil brings the whole family together. Spread newspaper on the table and dig in. Ingredients: shrimp, blue crab or snow crab, red potatoes, corn on the cob, smoked sausage, Old Bay seasoning, plus lemon, plus garlic. Steps: best done outdoors in a kettle. Add potatoes, corn, sausage, crab, shrimp in that order. Drain, toss on table lined with paper. Garnish with lemon and melted butter. 4. Baked flounder with lemon butter and herbs. Healthy choice. Flounder, fresh from the sound, baked with lemon, butter, and parsley. Simple and perfect. 5. Crispy oyster fritters. Another top pick. Crunchy on the outside, tender inside. Oyster fritters are a true Down East delicacy. Bringing coastal cooking to your kitchen. Please comment if you would like more coastal cooking videos. Thank you for cooking with me on Down East Coastal Cooking. If you love simple seafood, like and subscribe for more recipes from the shore. Until next time, may your cast nets stay full and your butter stay melted. Fresh from the Outer Banks daily. Visit our beautiful sunsets over the Outer Banks. Happy meals to you from Coastal Cooking. Today's Coastal Cooking is brought to you by Real OBX Pro Series and Outdoor. Built for the ones who wake up before the tide, cook what they catch, and live salty. Whether you're casting nets or cast iron skillets, Real OBX keeps you real, rugged, and ready.